Are you sure your beard is working for you, not against you? Too often we follow trends or what everyone says girls like instead of listening to what flatters our own face.
Beard या clean shave?
Clean shave. Beard. Beard.
Today, let's ditch the noise and focus on what you truly look best in. I'm not here to say always shave or always grow a beard. That's your choice. Instead, I'll guide you step by step on how to pick the perfect facial hairstyle for your face. Step 1. The basics. First, evaluate your growth. If your beard is patchy or uneven, forcing a full beard can be a mistake. Many guys think beard or instant awesome, but if your hair grows thin in spots, it often just looks messy. In that case, you might want to shave clean for now. Keep your skin clear and let your facial hair grow in properly. On the other hand, if you do have thick, even growth, don't kill it by shaving just because you think it's trendy. Some guys jump between razors and wait for a few hairs, only to be left with a scruffy beard that doesn't suit them. If your beard can be great, nurture it. If it can't yet, go clean-shaven confidently until it's worth showing off. The key is, work with what you have. Step 2. Face shape matters. The shape of your face is a game changer for choosing beard or no beard. Not every style suits every head. Snap a front-facing selfie. You can even use an app or, why not? Ask an AI assistant to identify your shape. Oval, round, square, heart, or oblong. Here's the breakdown. Oval face. Lucky you. It's the most balanced shape. Your face is longer than it is wide and proportioned just right. This means you can rock almost any style. Want a rugged full beard? Go for it. Prefer a subtle stubble or goatee? That works too. Even clean-shaven looks sharp on you because of those perfect proportions. Enjoy the freedom but still keep it groomed because whatever you choose, maintenance makes it pop. Round face. A round face has softer angles and about equal width and length. The goal here is to add some definition and length. A full beard can sometimes make a round face look even rounder. So try growing more hair under your chin. A short beard or stubble that's longer at the jawline and chin will create the illusion of a slimmer face. If you go clean-shaven, your face might look extra round. So it's okay to keep some facial hair. Even a light chin strap or stubble helps break the circle and add some angles. Square face. You have a strong, square jawline and a wider forehead. Very masculine. Here, show off that jaw. A neat short stubble or trimmed beard works great because it highlights your defined jaw rather than hiding it. A big bushy beard can actually make a square face look too wide or heavy. So keep it neat and short along the sides and chin. Trust me, a little stubble on a square face screams confidence. Heart-shaped face. This is the one with a wider forehead and a narrower chin. Think upper triangle shape. The chin is slimmer, so the trick is to balance it out. A light beard, like a short boxed beard or even a goatee, adds some weight down below and makes the face look more even. Avoid too much bush at the chin's tip or a full beard that puffs out at the top. Instead, a subtle full goatee or a light beard works to widen that thin chin. If you shave clean, your chin might look pinched, so consider keeping a little around the jaw. Oblong, rectangular face. This face is longer vertically. If your face is long, you might want to shorten its appearance a bit. A beard can add some width and break that length. Try a style that's fuller on the sides or cheeks, and not too long at the chin. This way, your face won't look like a triangle pointing down. A neatly trimmed beard, or even a thick stubble, helps fill out the length. Clean-shaven is also okay, but be aware it makes your face look longer. Often a medium stubble or short beard is the go-to for a long face.